Just working on my fall decor inside and out, but right now I want to do a wreath for my front porch. So I just picked up this grapevine wreath from Michael's, and I'm going to add some of these stems, and hopefully we can get it to look kind of nice. So this is the wreath so far. I might just leave it at this. It's like really simple. I'm waiting for the wreath hanger to come in the mail, but I just added all of this like thicker filler stuff. This stuff was so messy. I'm thankful it's gonna be outside. I added this first, and then I just filled in with this like Dusty Miller leaf, and then just put these berries on top. And I like the way it turned out. I just wanted something like really neutral and simple. So that's it for now. I'll show you once it's all like hung up on the door.